Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about EXELON Corporation, ticker symbol EXC. Now, this stock is an index stock with a market cap of nearly $56 billion and a very decent kind of performance throughout the year. Even if you're looking at the valuation, you are looking at the fundamental points, everything looks quite good. And over a period of time, if you're going to hold this stock, you have indeed made some decent amount of compounding return. And apart from that, even if you're looking at the fag end of the year, the average volume for the last 3 months is 5.12 million, and the last traded volume was more than 5.9 million. So people are still interested even at the later part of the year. So you can see the kind of returns it has generated. Now, if you're looking at the research reports, the last we have as far as 2021 is concerned is an upgrade by Mizuho in August, and same in September as well, where they have increased their target from $40 to $53 in the last 2 months. Now, as far as the old research reports or targets are concerned, we are not considering these things because these are way too old. I mean, from 2000 or below that, so we are not considering that. And let's see what we have here as far as the insider trading is concerned. So recently we have an option exercise. Rest of there is nothing which we can call as a very exceptional one. So either they are a sale or option exercise. And if you're looking at the news, so this is the recent one we have here, and it is like, should you buy the dips? Okay, and if you are looking at this particular press release, what you're gonna see here is these are all numbers and reports, price performance. Anyhow, we are going to do the chart analysis, but investor, this one is important. Investors might also notice the recent changes in the analyst estimate for the EXELON, and this revision helped to show the ever-changing nature of near-term business trend. As such, positive estimate revision reflect analyst optimism about the company's business and profitability. So this is important to heard. And let's now go to the chart. Now this is the long-term chart of EXELON Corporation, and I personally like this chart, and I have analyzed this particular stock a couple of months back as well. Now, if you're looking at this chart, you have a lot more to look at, or a lot more to cover on the upside. So this is the long-term chart, and if you're looking at this chart over here, so here we are, right? So this is the lower end of the range we have, and this is a trend line above which the stock has been moving for the last 30 or 40 years, and it has never been violated, and this is the lower end of the range. Now, if this is the trend over here, what we're gonna have as a long-term range is way too higher, and it has lot more to come as far as the long-term trend is concerned. So what we have here is something like this, right? So this is the big trend we have, and recently it has made one more breakout, as you can see, and this breakout has happened after 10 years or 11 years. So this is very important to notice that even in the intermediate term, the stock crossed $50 or $51, and it has been crossed by the stock after 2010. So if you're looking at the long term or the big target, then what we have here is our next big range, and this is in between $180 and $230 in the upcoming months and years, with a stop loss of $50 on the downside. Now this is what we have here as far as the long-term trend is concerned, and this is not going to move very sharply in a short amount of time. This will take its own time. So if you are interested in long-term charts or long-term portfolio building, so this is one of those stocks which one should look at. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.